Oh no, that's happening. The issue is happening. My keyboard isn't working. Chunky keyboard. Yay. Oh wait, now it's working again. Okay.
So guys, the people who are watching, today I decided to have a normal intro.
King that is now really not much more than a mid-tier S-Class car, which
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
is like a million times throughout this race. I should have. Woo! Woo! Okay, I'm so surprised. Okay, what? So. Woo! And then I died by something dumb like that. Okay. I'm so afraid to try this Shelby again because I used the Shelby at the beginning of the season. And although you think it'd be powerful because it's a Mustang and it's purple, it's really not as much. Yes, I'm a real human being, Fallout PK. Unless I'm a super, okay, I need to stop doing that. Unless I am just a super realistic robot, you may never know.
Woo! Okay, I'll stop the memes. Yeah, sure.
Not use a voice changer at all. Not a robot, an alien. Maybe I'm an alien robot. Have you ever thought about that? Woo! Yeah. There was no way I was escaping that one, so.
Die honorably.
So, thing and it worked pretty well. And also,
I'm wearing the new Feureum merch, which you can check out. It'll link in the description.
a SAIDS SA902, I think. I've had them 3 or 4 years at the. Goodbye, everyone.
What a peaceful ending, everyone. Just breathe in, breathe out.
Woo! So.